Next, let us proceed with our discussions with the coating that provide mechanical protection to the shrinkage. This is an extension from our previous videos discussing about the applications of W1 coating. You know that W1 coating provide ample protections to the shrinkage against moisture and water. Its main function is to isolate the shrinkage from the moisture and water. However, W1 coating does not provide protections against physical damage. Due to the characteristic of W1 of getting liquefied under high temperature, W1 coating also provides low protections under high temperature. It becomes soft in a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius or higher, and it may subsequently liquefy. This leads to the necessity to have additional layer of coating, particularly those that is able to provide mechanical protections to the shrinkage. The relevant coating include the N1 coating, SP tag, VM tag, and etc. Of course, you may apply additional layer of W1, but if you really need to protect against the mechanical protection, these three shall be applicable. On this basis, we are talking about multi-layer coating to the shrinkage. Now, the first coating, it will be W1, and the following coating, it will be either N1, SP tag, and VN tag. Now let us talk about the applications of P2 adhesive as a means to provide protections against physical damage. Based on the table here, P2 adhesive is able to provide physical protections to the shrinkage. These are the procedures. First, prepare the materials. This includes the glass fiber cloth, which is normally known as the bandage, P2 adhesive, which is this one, and also the brush. Prepare a piece of glass fiber which is large enough to cover the W1 coating area with some overlaps. Then you apply the P2 coating. Prepare the P2 adhesive mixed with hardening agent as per the P2 adhesive instruction. The P2 adhesive comes together with the hardening agent. Use the brush to apply a layer of P2 adhesive to the surface of W1 coating and the surrounding metal, as indicated in the diagram here. Place a piece of glass fiber cloth on the layer of P2 adhesive so that the adhesive impregnated the glass fiber cloth. Theoretically, you will need this P2 adhesive to be fully soaked into the glass fiber cloth. If the adhesive is not enough, you may apply additional layer of P2 adhesive. This is how you apply the glass fiber cloth on the P2 adhesive. Wait until the P2 adhesive hardens and check if it is properly attached to your test specimen. Then the coating is now finished.